Hi guys, right, today I'm going to show you how to set up your hot tub and heat it by using gas. It takes about 2 hours the process to heat it from 17 degrees Celsius. Yeah, it will take about 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours. I've also got a pool cover on mine which I got from a friend. He had it made and it keeps the heat in. I've also got the thermal covers and everything from mine, so that all helps. So if you've got all those, you can probably get away with just using the gas for 10 minutes, half an hour to keep it up to temperature. It takes up to about 30, it takes up to 40 by 2 hours. Mine was down at 20 today and I've just put it on about half an hour ago, so it was down at 20. Let's go and have a look, see how it's getting on. Okay, so we're at 29. It's got up about, so it's been about half an hour. So what we need, this is connected to a sump pump. This is your sump pump. This sump pump. Okay. That sucks it into your shower. So that has gone off at the moment. So we'll switch it off. Switch everything off for the moment. This is the shower. Now I've gone for the 16 litre because of the pressure you need to push into there. You can get cheaper ones. This one at the time was about 130–40 quid, but they've gone right up in price now, so you know. I mean, I built mine for a shower, outside shower. So we've got the pipe coming in that you saw that goes up to the pump. Now this also goes up to my water mains as well, so when we're using it as a shower, it's got clear water coming into it, but this sucks in the water from the hot tub, goes into the first shower, into the heater, gas heater, and comes out really hot, as I'll show you in a minute. This is the gas bottle. It doesn't matter which one you use, the blue or the red. Yeah, so one's butane and one's propane, so it depends on whatever you can get hold of really. Propane's really hard to get hold of at the moment, so I'm using this one. The red ones are really hard for some reason. So it's all on. Switch it on, and when you flick the switch to allow power to through, you can hear it kick up and heat up. And this pumps hot water through this hose. I'm probably going to change these to a bigger size later on. And you want this running when you first start up about 60s, 61, 62, because as it gets hotter, it's feeding in hot water, so this temperature will go up, and if this goes up to 70, it thermal cutouts, so you could be sitting there waiting for hot tub to come in and the gas has gone out. So keep it around 60. Let's just take it down to a bit. Keep it around that now at the moment. I mean, mine's at 28 anyway, so it's about right. It should probably go up to about 68, 69 when it's getting to 40 degrees. So that's that. This is the hot water coming out. This runs into the other side of the hot tub, which is here. This is boiling hot water, and that's it basically. That's all you need. Feed from a sump pump, shower, that's it basically, and that's all you need to set it up. It doesn't take long. It takes uses little gas. Advice to get the biggest gas bottle you can actually use, but we haven't used any electric for about 2 weeks, a week, 2 weeks, and it literally, when I know I'm going to go in the hot tub, or we want to go in the hot tub, I just, oh right, just put it on, let it run for 2 hours. Or if you've used it the night before, it can actually be still at 36, 35. It'll stay at that, but I advise getting a thermal cover. There's a thermal cover like a swimming pool cover that goes inside, sits on the water. I don't know where that comes. My friend got me that, but he had it all made specially for me. They're about, I reckon you're going to be talking £200 for those, but they do work. It's like a, it's almost like a solar panel. When it's outside, and I've taken the lid off, this thing attracts the heat, so it keeps it hot in the, you know, in hot weather. I'll show you. So I hope you can see that black cover there. Sits in there with the bubbles in it, and that keeps it topped up. It keeps it warm. I've been out there, so we first time we used it, the next night when we came down, I think we had it up to 40, and we went in it, and it went down to about 38. So switched it all off. You just leave the pump in the egg running, so it's still filtering, because that doesn't cost a lot of money, it's the heating. And when we went in there the next day to have a look at it, it was still at dropped 2 degrees, so it took literally 20 minutes with the gas to get it back up to temperature. So they're worth it. So I hope this helps someone. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see if we can find other tips and tricks for you for the hot tub. I've not really had any trouble with mine since I did the heater, and I just thought, you know, there's got to be an easier way of doing it, rather than keeping it on for like 48 hours to get it up to temperature and costing so much. Well, I hope this helps you out, guys. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe.